Hi everyone, welcome back to PassFab. The most common used method to improve computer is to update your hard drive. Then here comes the question, how to move Windows to another drive. PassFab 4 Easy Partition could help you. Connect your SSD or HDD to your computer. Run it on your computer. Click Start. Confirm your source disk and target disk. Click Start. Wait patiently. You have moved Windows to your new drive successfully. Now shut down your computer. Disconnect the power cable. Remove screws on the back cover. Open your laptop's case. Open the hard drive caddy. Put your new drive in. Connect it to the motherboard. Secure the screws around. Put the cover back. Turn on your computer. Press F12 to enter boot menu. Boot from your new drive.